Hi guys, this is Mohammed Awais and I'm a certified expert of NVivo from QSR International. Today I'm going to discuss how to download NVivo software and how to get the trial subscription of NVivo to use it for 14 days for free. So I'm going to share my screen. What you need to do is just write NVivo trial in search bar. Let it be Google Chrome, let it be Edge or whatever web browser you're using. Just write NVivo trial in the search bar. And usually the first search result that you come across with would be the relevant one, which we would be using to subscribe to NVivo trial subscription. And the name of that website would be like, the web page would be like free trial of NVivo, blah, blah. And it should come from QSRinternational.com. So click on that relevant website, usually the first one in your search result. Then on the website, click on free trial. And here you go. Write your first name, second name, your email address. I have already subscribed to. I am using enterprise license for my university. So I'm going to use a temporary email to show you how to download it. Write your original email here and click on send verification code. And then you receive the code in your inbox. This inbox will get refreshing. Here you go. Here you have received the email from QSR International with the code. Copy that code and write in the verification code box. Click on verify email. Now set the password that you want to use afterwards. Click on I accept the terms of use and blah, blah. Ideally speaking, you should have read these terms of conditions. Anyhow, click on I agree and then click on create account. Just wait for the next website to open. Now, choose the industry you belong to. I am from academia, so I chose academic. Then I chose individual because I'm not subscribing on behalf of my company, on behalf of my company. So I'm choosing individual. Select country you belong to. Right now I'm in Pakistan, so I choose Pakistan. And if you are in the States, you need to choose your state as well. For example, if you're in the Massachusetts, choose Massachusetts or New York or wherever you are, choose the relevant state if you are in the US and select US in the country. So click on by confirming the purchases you agree to and terms and conditions, And then if you want NVivo to send you the latest updates and tips and tricks and hints and articles, click on the yes, the second option. For now, I'm not clicking on it. So now you need to click on complete sign up. Just wait. Here you go. So if you want to download NVivo 20, which is the latest version of it, click on download here. And if you want to download it for Windows, click on download at the bottom. And NVivo 20 for Windows, click on download. And here I also want to tell you that the latest version of NVivo will not be installed on Windows 7 or earlier versions. To use the latest version of NVivo, you have to have Windows 8 or later versions. So click on download for NVivo for Windows, click on download and then install the software. The installation of this software doesn't require any specific guidelines. It will get installed just like a common software you install in your computer. So there's no any specific guidelines to install it. Just follow the follow common procedures that you use to install any software. And after the software, you will get a desktop shortcut if you have opted it during the installation procedure. So click on the software icon on the website, click on that software, and NVivo will prompt you to log in into my NVivo or your NVivo. Click on login into my NVivo, and it will open a sign in box, sign in website in your default web browser that you chose in your Windows. So here I also want to tell you that it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to activate your trial license. Usually what my students complain about this procedure is they say that, and they try to log in into their NVivo account, and then NVivo told them that there's no account associated to it. So just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Ideally speaking, you would receive a confirmation email in your inbox that your trial version has been activated or trial subscription has been activated. Even if you didn't receive it, just try to log in after a few minutes, ideally speaking, after 5 to 10 to 15 minutes in extreme case. So then you will be able to open this software in trial version. Just write the credentials you used to subscribe to trial version, trial subscription, and then this software will automatically redirect you to the software that you opened a few seconds earlier. So this was the procedure to download download NVivo and to use NVivo for trial version. That's it from my side today. Thank you very much.